How to convert Figma design to code for free using your builder.io. So what you're gonna do is open up your Figma app and then make sure you already have an account for your builder.io so that the process goes much smoother and technically faster. So anyways, once you've done those, you can go ahead to your project in your Figma design, and then you're gonna go ahead to the top left corner, which is going to be over here. In there, you can find your plugins, go to manage plugins, and search for builder.io, just like so.io. And you can find this in the app version of your Figma. So choose your builder.io, and then you're gonna have to run. You could save it for later as well if you'd like. But once it's loaded, you can go ahead and choose a specific layer you want to export to code. So you could choose multiple layers or a single layer, pretty much depends on you. And then you will have two options, which is to do a classic export or do a smart export. You'll be able to see which difference has on each. So in our case, we're going to go with smart export. So export design to code like so. Then just go ahead and press that button, and then you will get two options. Either you can paste it in your builder, or you can integrate the design via CLI. But that's pretty much it. You could connect to an existing code repository first, or you could add a prompt to do what you want. So you could submit to generate a code. Pretty much depends on you and what you want to do with the prompt. So you can add it and make it great, whichever you'd like. But then that's pretty much it. You can run the plugin and then do it there. But once it's in your builder.io, you can choose what kind of prompt you want to be. Now, put in mind, it is free to start, but advanced or heavier use may run into plan or AI credit limits. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.